Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by shutting off the water and opening a nearby faucet to release pressure. This prevents sprays when you open the housing. Once done, position a bucket and a towel under the filter and put on gloves. Remove the housing with the wrench, turning counterclockwise. You'll feel resistance from the O-ring. Make sure to observe the old carbon block's orientation and note any buildup. This tells you how clogged the element was and why flow or taste changed. You lift out the spent carbon block and inspect both it and the housing. Trapped sediment explains reduced flow and taste issues. Once out, carefully clean the housing and the O-ring groove. Use a clean rag and fresh water. Replace the O-ring if damaged. A small smear of silicone grease keeps it seated and prevents leaks. Make sure the new cartridge matches size and flow arrow orientation. This attention prevents cross-threading and ensures proper seal when you reassemble. You reinsert the new carbon block, seat it squarely, and hand-tighten the housing, then give a firm quarter turn with the wrench. Do not over-torque. Turn the water on slowly and watch the housing and connections for leaks. If none, flush the filter according to manufacturer time, usually several liters. If you see leaks, turn off water, relieve pressure, and reseat or replace the O-ring and clean threads. This single troubleshooting step resolves most leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.